In this short video, we'll show you how to easily replace the modem in an ETwater Smart Irrigation Controller. You'll need two tools to remove and replace the modem module: a screwdriver along with a 3/8 inch nut driver. Remove the 8 screws on the upper and lower panels. Power off the controller. There's 3 ways you can do it. 1. Unplug from a wall outlet. 2. Flip off the breaker switch. Or 3. Disconnect the yellow, green, red connector on the base module as shown here. Then flip the upper panel over and locate the old modem. Remove the modem clip using the nut driver and pulling it off the panel. Disconnect the small antenna cable from the corner of the old modem. Carefully remove the old modem by pulling it away from the panel. Take your new 4G modem, carefully line up the 4 sets of pins to the CPU board, and gently push the 4G modem into place. There should be no exposed pins once it's in place. Reconnect the small antenna cable to the PRI connection on the 4G modem. Power the controller back up and wait 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, perform a hard reset by pressing 1 and 9 at the same time. Then wait 2 to 3 minutes for the modem to register and get signal. After 2-3 minutes, the blue light on the modem should be blinking. Press Test Dial and confirm a signal strength number. Press Enter to initiate a call. Controller will display the message "Successful call complete" on its screen, and the time and date will be automatically updated. If you receive an error, remove power to the controller for 5 minutes. Power it back up after 5 minutes, then wait another 2 to 3 minutes with power on before attempting another test dial. If that call fails, please contact Jane ETwater Customer Care for further assistance. Thank you for watching this video, and please contact us anytime if ever we can be of any help to you.